How to fix a Vcruntime140.DLL was not found error in Windows 10/8/7. Here are some tips that would help you fix a Vcruntime140.DLL was not found error in Windows. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Run Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. 3. Reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable as admin. 4. Update Windows 10. 5. Reinstall the specific/problematic program. 6. Update Windows driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Run the system file checker. Run this command as admin, sfc/scanoa. Use Windows System Restore. 9. Windows 10 Factory Reset.